8638. The red radial lines on the face of an engine oil pressure gauge indicates A. Minimum engine safe RPM operating range. B. Minimum precautionary safe operating range. C. Minimum and/or maximum safe operating limits. The correct answer is C. The red radial lines on the face of an engine oil pressure gauge typically indicate the minimum and/or maximum safe operating limits. These red radial lines serve as visual indicators to show the boundaries within which the oil pressure should remain during engine operation. If the oil pressure falls below or exceeds these limits, it could indicate a potential issue or abnormal operating condition requiring attention or action from the pilot or maintenance personnel. 8639. A certificated mechanic may perform A. Minor repairs to instruments. B. 100-hour inspections of instruments. C. Instrument overhaul. The correct answer is B. A certificated mechanic with appropriate ratings, such as an airframe and power plant, AandPMechanic, is allowed to perform certain tasks related to aircraft instrument inspection and maintenance. This may include performing a 100-hour inspection, conducting routine checks, calibrations, and minor repairs as specified in the manufacturer's guidelines and under the supervision of a certificated repair station. However, more extensive repairs, major alterations, or specialized instrument repairs typically require the expertise of a certificated repair station with the appropriate approvals. It's important to adhere to regulatory requirements and follow the guidance provided by the aircraft manufacturer and aviation authorities for instrument maintenance and repair. 8640. An aircraft instrument panel is electrically bonded to the aircraft structure to A. Act as a restraint strap. B. Provide current return paths. C. Aid in the panel installation. The correct answer is B. An aircraft instrument panel is electrically bonded to the aircraft structure primarily to provide current return paths. By bonding the instrument panel to the aircraft structure, any electrical currents or static charges that may accumulate on the panel or instruments can be safely conducted back to the aircraft's electrical system or ground. This helps prevent electrical interference, ensures proper functioning of the instruments, and maintains electrical safety throughout the aircraft. While the instrument panel installation may benefit from the electrical bonding, the primary purpose is to establish proper current return paths. 8641. How many of the following are controlled by gyroscopes? A. 3. B. 2. C. 1. The correct answer is A. The attitude indicator relies on an attitude gyro to sense the aircraft's roll and pitch movements. The heading indicator uses an attitude gyro to detect changes in the aircraft's yaw or heading. The turn needle in a turn and slip indicator is controlled by a rate gyro that detects the aircraft's yaw movements. 8642. The lubber line on a directional gyro is used to A. Represent the nose of the aircraft. B. Align the instrument glass in the case. C. Represent the wings of the aircraft. The correct answer is A. The lubber line on a directional gyro represents the nose of the aircraft. It is a fixed reference line on the face of the gyro that remains stationary while the gyro itself rotates. By observing the movement of the lubber line, the pilot can determine the aircraft's direction and make accurate heading adjustments.